Hey guys, welcome. Today we're making oven roasted chicken. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is gonna clean off the chicken, have it all situated. If you need to break it down, you can. We did a video on that, so you can go ahead and check that out if you need to know how to do that. All right, now you're gonna need certain things. These are seasonings: garlic, mayo, salt, pepper, and paprika. A nice side would be like a pasta, a rice, or a spinach salad, or some kind of salad. All right, so now you're gonna season the meat. Now you're gonna add some mayo. You're gonna do a nice light coating of it. You don't really want to disturb the seasoning. You just want to kind of just coat it. So you're gonna kind of like pat it on. I'm showing you with my hands, but I'm also gonna show you in a minute another way to apply it. So now it's all applied. And we're gonna go ahead and flip it down and put the mayo on the pan and now season it again. So you're gonna season the other side. And as I said, I'm gonna show you how to do this using the back of the spoon or a spatula. You basically just pat it the same way, except for you're just doing it with a spoon. I felt like such an artist. I got to play. This is a very soothing part. I had music on. Anyway, not important. The point is you just basically pat it in there and you coat each piece of chicken just like you did on the previous side. And so it has a nice chicken, as you see. Nice chicken coating there. It's just coating it. And let me tell you, it does not taste like mayo. It has amazing flavor. As you see, it's all coated. Now it's gonna go into the oven. You're gonna bake it at 425 for 25 minutes. Oh, doesn't that look yummy? Mmm, so good. You should smell it. All right, and now we're gonna plate it and we're gonna enjoy. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Please like, share, and subscribe.